Get ready for the future of air travel. Boom Supersonic is bringing back faster than sound commercial flights with the Overture airliner. Their XP-1 prototype has just completed its second successful test flight, moving closer to its first supersonic journey by year-end. Imagine flying from New York to London in just 3.5 hours. Overture promises an affordable, all-business class experience with fares 75% lower than Concorde. With United, American and Japan Airlines on board, supersonic travel is set to go mainstream. Expect to see the first Overture commercial flights within 5 years. The future is faster and it's almost here.